So one of your amps are blown?
Yeah.
What happened?
I forgot to turn off the amps, so they went on like 3 days. So batteries died, and they went like 8 volts. So when I charge the batteries and I restart everything again, one of them was in protection.
Dang.
Yeah.
That sucks. You gonna give me a good walk around real quick when I was in here?
What do you say?
When I was in here?
Oh, 4 CV5s, 18s, and a 4 Torter. And currently I just have a 112K running a half ohm, but especially it's 212K.
What did you do on the meter with the full power?
I was doing 156.8, 25 hertz.
Man, high 50s in the 20s is insane. Your door's breaking?
Yeah, you gotta put it up. Yeah, there you go.
There you go, the latch. Everything's breaking in here from this, man. How much? I never asked you last time. What's your sealed section? Do you know how big it is?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
I got the design, but I don't.
Yeah.
I don't
It's all right, man.
No.
I like you added some braces.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Oh yeah, let's get a demo.
You ready?
Ready? Yeah. If you had 2 amps in there.
Yeah, it's a little bit windier.
Really?
Yeah.
I could bet, but that's insane for just one. Just for one, man.
Yeah.
Jesus. Them subs are handling it with both of them too?
Yeah.
Man. How much did you clamp? Have you clamped the power out of it? See
No,
how much?
I haven't clamped it
Oh,
yet.
okay. Whew.
But I know the box is racing. Like if I wire at 1 ohm, they're racing 2 ohm.
Okay. So you're still rising over 1 ohm with it, half ohm. Yeah. So is it, how much of a difference wiring each amp to 1 ohm versus half ohm? Is there a big jump? And like, can you tell more efficiency? It's just a little louder.
I can tell it's a little bit louder.
Okay.
Yeah. Like,
With two amps at 1 ohm, then 1 amp at half ohm.
yeah,
You can tell a difference.
It's different.
Okay.
Yeah, to me, that works like that. To me, having 2 amps at 1 ohm is louder than 1 ohm.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. Awesome. Whew. You want to feel real quick? Get a demo? She likes this one, man. You give her a demo.
The bag's right there.
All right.
Got it?
Yep. Hair trick monster.
For sure.
Heck yeah. Appreciate it, Diego.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.